what types of career development opportunities are available um, for the maintenance
A
techs?
lot of people don't start as a multi-craft.
Mhm,
They'll come in as a lower level mechanic,
mhm,
say a lube tech or
mhm,
a reliability tech, um, that is doing different jobs.
mhm,
But as you develop those internal skills and get the mechanical, electrical sides of the job, you can definitely become a multi-craft, which is one of our highest level paying positions. And even from there, you can become, a planner
mhm,
or maybe a maintenance supervisor.
mhm,
Um, I've also, and I haven't seen it here only because I've only been here 6 months, but in my past, I've definitely seen technicians who who went back to school and
mhm,
got their engineering degree or got enough of a degree to be a project engineer or a
mhm.
process engineer.